Today I want to show you how to resolve blank screen issue in the Hyundai Tucson. This is very common problem. After starting the engine, the screen doesn't work. It's completely black and doesn't respond to touch or button pressing. Most people would go to a Hyundai dealer and pay a large invoice, but the solution is actually very simple. I believe this solution works in 95 to 99% of cases, so let's give it a try to see if we can resolve the problem. Below the screen there is a SD card cover called the SD map. You can open it with your finger or fingernails. Just pull it out gently. Once you open it, you will see the SD card. Press it, move it slightly back, and then pull it out. The SD card has 9 gold connectors, and sometimes the connection is not very good with the slot. We need to clean these connectors. You can use alcohol or pencil eraser to clean the connectors. Be very careful and gently when using the eraser or alcohol. After cleaning, make sure the SD card is completely dry before putting it back into the slot. Now that my card is clean and dry, I can put it back and let's see what happens. Start the engine and hooray! The screen works perfectly. It shows the Hyundai logo and the system is restarting. As you can see, the screen is now functionally perfectly. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.